everyone. Welcome back to Daily Life English Podcast. I'm Amma, and I'm so happy to be here again with all of you today.
Hi, everyone. This is Fang. It feels great to join you all again for another fun English conversation. How are you doing today, Amma?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you, Fang?
I'm good too. It's a bright day, and I'm excited for our topic.
Wonderful. Before we begin, let's say hello to everyone who's watching our video or listening to our podcast.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you for joining us again. We hope you're having a beautiful day.
Yes, and today we have a very special topic that I think everyone can relate to.
That's right. Our topic today is talking about school life in English.
Oh, that's such a wonderful topic. School life is something we all remember. It's full of learning, fun, friends, and amazing memories.
Exactly. And for English learners, it's also a very useful topic. You can use these phrases and sentences when you talk about your school, your teachers, your friends, or your daily routine.
So, in this episode, we'll talk about how to describe your school, your favorite subjects, your teachers, and what you do at school every day. We'll also share sample conversations and useful expressions for beginners.
Yes. And before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video on our YouTube channel, Daily Life English. It really helps us grow and continue creating free English lessons for you.
Thank you so much, everyone. All right, Amma, shall we start?
Sure. Let's begin with a simple question. Peng, can you tell me what your school life was like when you were a student?
My school life was full of energy and activities. I used to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I had breakfast, packed my school bag, and went to school by bicycle.
By bicycle? That sounds fun.
Yes, it was. I lived not too far from my school, so it took me only 10 minutes to get there. The road was peaceful, and I could see other students walking or cycling too.
Oh, I can imagine that. I used to go to school by bus. Every morning, I waited for the yellow bus at 6:30 a.m. with my friends. We used to talk and laugh on the way. It was one of my favorite parts of the day.
That's nice. What time did your classes start?
Our school started at 7:30 in the morning and finished at 3:30 in the afternoon. How about you?
Almost the same, 7:15 to 3 o'clock. We had 7 periods a day, each about 45 minutes long.
That's quite a busy schedule. What subjects did you study?
I studied English, math, science, history, geography, and Khmer. But my favorite subject was English because I loved learning new words and speaking.
Me too. I always looked forward to English class. It was fun to learn songs, stories, and conversations.
Yes, and it's amazing that now we are helping others learn English through this podcast.
That's true. Life goes full circle. Okay, now let's help our listeners learn how to describe their school in English. If someone asks, "Can you tell me about your school?" How can we answer that?
That's a good question. You can start with something simple, like, my school is big and beautiful, or my school is small but clean and friendly.
Right. You can also describe what's inside your school. For example, there are 20 classrooms, 1 library, 1 computer lab, and a large playground.
Exactly. You can also say, my school has many trees and flowers. It looks very green and peaceful.
Yes, and for your English practice, use adjectives like big, small, nice, clean, beautiful, friendly, modern, quiet, or busy.
For example, my school is big. It's a beautiful place to study. My teachers are friendly and kind.
Good job! Simple sentences are the best way to start speaking English naturally.
Now, let's talk about favorite subjects. Amma, what was your favorite subject in school?
I think it was science. I liked doing experiments and learning about the world, plants, animals, and space.
That's cool. I liked English and geography. I enjoyed learning about countries and cultures.
That's great. Listeners, you can practice by saying, "My favorite subject is English. I like math because it's interesting. I don't like history because it's difficult."
Yes. You can also describe your teachers. My English teacher is very kind. My math teacher is strict but helpful.
Good examples, Fang. Talking about teachers helps learners practice adjectives like kind, strict, funny, helpful, patient, and smart.
Exactly. And don't forget to say thank you to your teachers. They are the ones who guide us.
That's so true. Let's talk about school activities. Fang, what did you usually do during lunch break?
Oh, I loved lunch break. I usually ate rice and fried chicken with my friends in the canteen. Then we played football on the playground.
That sounds fun. I used to eat my lunch under a big tree with my classmates. Sometimes we shared snacks and talked about our favorite movies.
That's so nice. Lunch break was always the best time to relax and enjoy.
Yes. Listeners, you can describe your school activities like this. During break time, I talk with my friends. I play football after class. I eat lunch in the school canteen.
Exactly. And don't forget after-school clubs. Some students join music club, English club, or sports club.
Yes, you can say, "I join English club on Fridays. I practice singing in music club. I play basketball after school."
Perfect. Simple and clear.
Now, let's help our learners describe their daily routine at school. You can use sentences like, "I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to school at 7 a.m. I have classes until 3 p.m. I come home at 4 p.m.
That's right. Here's a full example. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast. Then I go to school by bike. I study many subjects and have lunch with my friends. In the afternoon, I play football before going home.
Excellent! That's a very good paragraph for beginners. Listeners, you can try writing your own version like that.
Yes, you can practice by recording yourself reading it aloud. That's a great way to improve pronunciation and speaking fluency.
Good tip! Let's do one more practice dialogue, okay?
Sure. Let's show how to talk about school life.
Hi, Fang. Where do you study?
I study at Sunrise High School. How about you?
I study at Green Valley School. What subjects do you like?
I like English and geography. They are interesting.
Do you have any favorite teachers?
Yes, my English teacher is my favorite. She always helps us speak better.
That's nice. I like my science teacher because he teaches with fun experiments.
Wow, that sounds great.
Do you play sports at school?
Yes, I play football every afternoon. How about you?
I usually read books in the library or talk with friends.
That's good too. School life is full of good memories.
Yes, I agree. You know, Fang, when we talk about school life, we don't just talk about studying. We also talk about learning important values like honesty, teamwork, and respect.
That's true. School teaches us how to be responsible and how to work with others.
And it also helps us grow confidence. When we answer questions or join competitions, we learn how to speak in front of people.
Yes. Those small moments help us prepare for real life.
That's why I always tell students, enjoy your school days because they don't come back.
Exactly. And if you're learning English now, you're already doing something amazing for your future.
That's such a great message.
So, to everyone listening today, try talking about your school life in English. Describe your school, your teachers, your favorite subject, and what you do every day.
Yes. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every time you speak, you get better.
And don't forget to smile while speaking. It helps your voice sound more natural and confident.
That's a very good tip.
Thank you, Amma. I had a great time talking about school life today.
Me too. It brought back so many good memories.
All right, before we finish, let's thank our wonderful viewers and listeners.
Thank you, everyone, for watching and listening to Daily Life English Podcast. We hope you enjoyed today's episode about school life.
If you learned something new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more fun English lessons.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
Yes, and remember, every small step brings you closer to fluency.
Thank you again, everyone. See you next time in another episode of Daily Life English.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, take care, and happy learning.